Lenae, stop. You got a video to do.
Oh, no problem. Hi, Flavia. This is Lenae here, and I'm your Tameron Honda auto buying specialist. And why am I dancing, you ask? Because I am dancing into the summer savings. We are having an amazing clearance sale right now, and I do want to thank you in regards to your inquiry into the awesome 2020 Odyssey. As you see, we have several here, okay? So what I need for you to do is give me a call at 334-332-6346, because here at Tameron Honda, we're the #1 volume dealer in the state of Alabama, #2 in the southeast region. So any color, trim combination you could want in this awesome 2020 Odyssey, 9 times out of 10, we have it right here on our lot. But again, just give me a call so I can schedule you for a VIP test drive and give you the Tameron experience. And when you get here, Flavia, I guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated. Can't wait to meet you.